So we got the cabin in here. This is nice. Hard to say if anybody's been living in here, but I think so. I would say so. Yes, definitely. I know if I was homeless, I'd be hanging out in here. I got a beer bottle here. That looks pretty recent to me. So in there's the sleeping quarters. There's the galley. Yeah, this thing was a real yacht at one time. And you can see that the helm here, the helm is no more. Absolutely impossible to fix this thing. But man, what a thing this was back in the 70s or 80s, whenever it was alive and well. Everything comes to an end, man. Yeah, we got homeless people. There's a stove in here. No, that's a refrigerator down there. Wow, this thing had a generator. All right, well. And up there's the flying bridge. Very cool.